How you doing, guys? Just another quick video. We're here on a job out at Pullenvale where we're here lengthening posts. As always with steel fabrication. Yeah, especially with this job, you can see it, it's huge. This is the house. I think it's a shopping centre, but it's a house. Yeah, we've been here before. Yeah, we had to put holes in the steel and a little bit of welding here and there, but on-site fabrication is always fun. And you almost never get it right. It's very hard. There's always work to be done whenever you're putting things together. And these posts, which go down the side for the veranda, all hot dip gal, are between 30 and 60 mil or 75 mil short. So we've been asked to come in and lengthen them all. Just at the top. Luckily most of the top gets hidden, but you see the last bit, so we've got to make a real nice job of the weld that Frank's doing there now. And then paint it up. They're all getting painted, so that's good. And so we're welding that up. And then we'll clean it up. We've got one over here that we've already done. We've got to clean it up now, because we've done the little weld just there. You can see that. It's still too hot. It's only 15-20 minutes old. And too hot to touch by hand. But yeah, you see a little from the grinder, the flap disc, a little bit of a divot through there. By the time we see the ceiling is going to come down to about there. So by the time by the time they get there and they paint it, they sand it, we should be able, and we paint it, we should be able to get rid of most of that. So you won't see it, hardly see it at all. You have to really look for it. It'd be somebody like me that'd see it, but 99% of people wouldn't see it at all. But Frankie's doing well with his welding. He's come a long way. Look at that. Great. Great news. Got to get him back to Roger. He'll be going back to Roger in the next few months as soon as I get the affiliate marketing going. And as we learn how to make money on the internet. That's always fun. It's taken me 10 years, I still haven't made 10 cents. But I'm finally on a program that looks like it's working, going to help me. It's hard for me to get people who, that I'll sit there and listen to, let alone pay for it, sit there and listen to. But to say it in such a way that I'm able to learn it. Great for the others. There's a lot of others a lot faster than me. But it's just another trade. Out of the 32 I already know, let's add another one. Affiliate marketing, sales. Well, I've done sales for many, many years, but never on a computer. But here we go, Frank's on to the next weld. So you've just got to add that piece, and we've got to clean it all up. Luckily on the phone you can actually, I can actually watch the welding on the phone, because the ultraviolet light isn't going to blind me. Still bright though. So it'll still be bright on your computer, but at least it doesn't blind you. If I looked at it without the camera, yeah, I wouldn't be able to see again. Because the ultraviolet light coming off the MIG gets even worse than the stick. But he's doing a great job. He's come a long way in the last year with welding. Great. Good to see. Good on you, Frank. Alrighty. Okay, well we keep going. I'll make some more videos as the day goes on. And we'll catch you guys again soon. Okay. Stay tuned. Oh, don't forget, please, hit the like button and the subscribe button. We very much appreciate it as we try and build this channel. We've got a lot of wonderful things coming this way as I get further into affiliate marketing and able to help others with that. And I've got a few not documentaries, biographies and a few other things I've got to do with people. All the things I want to do as we raise funds to try and do research into natural foods that cure cancer. Not slow down cancer, I mean cure cancer. Okay, but that's what we're raising funds for. I'll then pay private research facilities to then look at all the cures we already know and verify the fact that they do cure cancer. Okay, talk to you again soon. See you, bye.